June 2015 Paris Air Show. Hutchinson is in the news with the announcement of a new aerospace center of excellence in Mobile, Alabama. Hutchinson's site will supply the region's growing aerospace industry, with Airbus's final assembly line located at the Brooklyn Aeroplex. Between two demonstrations, the show's 350,000 visitors were able to discover Hutchinson's various areas of expertise, presented on the company's booth. The safety solutions included de-icing, fire protection, predictive maintenance, and health monitoring systems. They enable aircraft to be operational in the most extreme conditions. The comfort solutions include air and water distribution systems, as well as thermal and acoustic insulation solutions, analytical capabilities, and integrated vibration control systems. Hutchinson ensures maximum in-cabin comfort for its customers. In the acoustic room, Hutchinson's customers were able to experience the sound environment from an airliner, a business jet, and a helicopter, both with and without Hutchinson solutions. In its chalet, Hutchinson was delighted to welcome Régis Aloujoanine, the international aerobatics champion, and Dorine Bonneton, the world's first paraplegic pilot. Régis performed an aerobatics demonstration in his plane sponsored by Total and Hutchinson. He also designed the control stick that enabled Dorine to get started in aerobatics on a Cap 10 BK, with her goal to be able to give demonstrations at this Paris Air Show for her first time.